Hello friends, for this type of edit you need a video clip of you. Add the clip, then click on the video. Then click on duplicate option. Then click on overlay. Then adjust the overlay. Click on overlay again. Click on remove BG. Select the automated option. You can do manual remove BG option to remove the background manually. Then go to adjust option. Then go to graph option. Adjust the graph as shown. Person body should look like this.
Adjust the brightness according to the video. Then go to the effects option, choose flash vibration. Then click on effect, then select the layer to overlay. Then adjust the effect according to the video. Remember to set the speed to 0.
Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.